Alright, so we have a battery for the Acura ILX. So it's change battery, change keyless battery, remote, whatever. Anyways, the easiest way to change it is to, I guess, it's kind of hard to do this one-handed again. But do this, open that up right there. And then for you to open this up to get to the battery, you put, some people use a flathead, I just use a key. See right here, right at this spot right there, that's where you put the key through it, and then just kind of twist it a little bit. See if I can do this one-handed. Nope. Right there. And okay, so right here is where the notch is. This area right there. Stick the key in there and just twist. See, once you twist it, it just open up just like that. And that's how you get to the key, battery, and change that out, and you're done. Game over.